In this pencast, we're going to be learning about the equation for a circle. So this problem says, find the equation for a circle with radius 10 and center 6, -3. Alright, so for problem 1, the first thing we need to know is the general form of an equation for a circle. And that form is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared, where the radius of the circle is equal to r and the center is at h comma k. Alright, so from this we can tell that our equation has a radius of 10 and then h is equal to 6 and that k is equal to -3 from the given information. So now all we need to do is plug this into the equation. So we get x minus h, which is 6 and squared, and then plus y minus k, which is -3 squared, is equal to r squared, which is 10 squared. Alright, so when we simplify that, we come up with x minus 6 squared plus y plus 3, because two negatives is the same as a positive, squared, is equal to 10 squared, which is also 100. And that is the equation for the first problem. Alright, problem 2 says, find the radius and center of a circle with the equation x squared plus y squared equals 4. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is compare this to the general form. Basically all we have is x squared and y squared here. We don't have any h or k. But we know that that's the same as saying x minus 0 squared plus y minus 0 squared equals 4. Okay? So from that, first let's deal with the radius. So we know that the radius squared is equal to 4. So if we take the square root of both sides, then we get that the radius is equal to 2. Okay, so now we need to figure out what the center is. So from this equation we can see that h is 0 and k is 0. So that means that the center of our circle is at 0, 0. Alright, so if we were going to graph this circle, let's make some axes right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we would have the center, which would be right here at 0, 0. And we would have a radius of 2. So on each side we would go 2 away from the center. And that would be the radius of our circle. So our circle would look something like that if we were going to graph it.